Good afternoon. So still in West Virginia. Mitch and I are out poking around looking at cars, and I have an old friend, Mitch's, and I knew his brother, but these are a few of Gary's cars. I'll show you here.
His phone doesn't do me any good.
I'm the same way. So here's 64. This is a frame and everything he's built to go under a C2. We got a 75 convertible with 76,000 original miles on it. AC car, tilt steering, power windows, telescoping. Nice car. So I'm kind of all over the place here. Just trying to keep this video short so I can post it up tonight. That's a 64 again. Wrong color, but it's a nice blue on this. He's done a nice job of buffing the paint out on it. Looks very nice. It's the correct interior. It's a 300 horse motor in it now, as you can see from the tack. It was originally a 360 horse motor. So he's building these from scratch. He's just doing the frames. He doesn't do the bodies. Late model C7 motor in it. A couple more in here. Got a 58 in here. So we're having a fun Sunday just cruising around looking for cars to buy. So I thought I'd share this with you guys for a few minutes. He's actually looking up, I'm trying to find, as you guys may know, I'm looking for an Eckler's or a Greenwood wide body, and he's got a 74 convertible with a wide body on it. So we're trying to work out stuff on it now. He's looking up some pictures I'm going to go look at, and I'll show you here in a minute.